what do we have here? You can see I would have done a reversal here, but this candlestick is not telling me we are going down now. We will go down, but not now. So if I get another reversal candlestick pattern at this spot, if this candlestick turns out to be a reversal candlestick pattern, I will go down. So let's look at another market condition. All right, you can see this market condition. You can see we were in an uptrend before. This is EUR CAD. We are in a ranging market. So at this point, you can see this is an Arami pattern. Let me show you. As you can see, this is a tweezer top pattern. This one, a tweezer top pattern, appears at the uptrend, and because of the tweezer top pattern, I expect the candlestick to be going down from here, at least for one candle. So I will be doing a sell trade as the EURUSD tomorrow. So we're doing a sell trade from here. This is my analysis. I will enter at this trade immediately because of the lower wick. You can see the lower wick, this one, this part, and the upper wick, and this one. They are both showing selling pressure. They are showing that there are more pressure from the sellers, and that is why I will be doing a sell tomorrow from this spot. Okay, you can see I expect this is the GBP CHF on the daily time frame. I expect this candlestick to be a bearish one tomorrow. But so you make sure you can make your entry points at this spot. This one. Enter at this spot. Once you get to the 1.05355, you can enter here and make the money, or you enter immediately. It depends on how you want your risk to be. This is a sell trade for me. I will be doing this trade. Let's see if I will see another opportunity. If not, I'll stop the video. I need to make my video be very, very short. Okay, you see, like I told you before, the GBP JPY will close as a bullish candle. You can go and check. I posted it on my other video, the analysis, so that you watch how I analyzed it. I told you it will be closing as a bullish candle, and it did. I told you it could be closing as a weak bullish candle because of how it is here. So where will the price be going now? The price will be going. Now it's not confusing because there is another gap. This gap shouldn't have appeared here. So I'm not sure, but I will still be going with another bullish again. So I'll be doing a bullish trade on the on the GBP JPY, a bullish trade. So I will buy here. Let me see if I will see another opportunity. Okay, this is a consolidation area for what I'm seeing here now. Okay, I won't do anything here. I wanted to do a sell, but after seeing the major trend, there is no need. Okay, this candlestick. Yesterday I told you this candlestick will go down. Let me show you. I told you this candlestick will go down. As you can see, it did. When the price opened here, the candlestick pushed downwards. At this spot, I took my profits. When the price got to this location, it started reversing back up. Why did it reverse? It could be anything. Maybe because of this order block, or I don't know. I don't know why it reversed, but the good part is that we took our profits here before the price reversed back up, and the price has reversed now. So my prediction for the market again, for where it should go tomorrow, I don't know. I'm not sure at this condition. I'm not sure. It's looking like a buying pressure at the same time. It's also looking like a selling pressure. So I don't know. So I'm not sure about this trade. So I won't take it. The reason why I'm not sure is because of this lower wick. It's because of this lower wick. You see where this wick is closing, and you can see there is nothing here. So that is the reason why I don't know where the pressure is coming from, because there is nothing there. Except you are talking about this key level, but there is nothing here for me, because if there is something here like a key level, I will know where the pressure is coming from. But since there is no key level, I don't know where the pressure is coming from. So I think it will be going down again. But if this was if this was caused by a news or any economic speech, then I don't know where it's going next. But if on the looks of it, it looks like it's going down tomorrow. But I will avoid this trade at this moment. If you can predict it from your own analysis, you can do it. But for me, I will avoid it because I have to follow my rules. Okay, this candlestick is not giving me meaning for now. Oh, okay. It gave me many now. I can see we are going down. This is the USD CHF. We are going down. So you have to sell here at this spot. This is the reason why I'm doing a sell trade. I saw that the level is still far. So the price will try to get there. While doing so, the price can break and continue going down. Or it will close around here. I don't know what's going to happen, but I know that this is a sell trade. Then I will be doing a sell at this place, at this market, USD CHF. Then I will go again. This is the USD JPY. What a nice engulfing candle. The price has finally reversed. You see, the price reversed because of this level. This level here. This is the reason why the price has reversed. And for the fact that the price was reversed here, it shows that this is a fake breakout. And for that, I expect it to do a reversal anytime soon. Am I doing a sell trade? No, I won't do a sell trade at this spot because this looks tricky. I mean, take a look at the lower wick. The lower wick here is showing us a buying pressure. So because of that, I have to avoid the market at the moment. Alright, you can see from the market condition, this is an engulfing candle. This is an engulfing candle, and because of that, I expect the markets to continue going up from this spot upwards. So I will do a buy trade at this spot. This is a high probability trading setup for me. So it's going up from this spot because it broke the trend line. The price broke the trend line. Let me show you. The price broke the trend line and it is continuing going up. So that's it. I will stop here. Oh, let me check for gold before I go because I know many of you love trading gold. Okay, this is gold. The manipulation happened after we took our profit out at this spot, and the price went down. We took our profit out from this place. After taking your profit, don't be greedy. Once you get your money, always remove it. Otherwise, anything can happen. The market can change its mind and it will go against your direction. So once you take your profit, remove your money, take your profit and leave immediately. So the price later reversed and is coming back here. So where is the price going tomorrow? Okay, let's see. First of all, we need to know why the price reversed, and you can see there is a level here that caused the price to reverse. And because of that, I expect the level to hold again. And this candlestick is a tweezer bottom candlestick pattern or an arami. This is some kind of area arami, PSC line, arami, whatever you want to call it. But I can see a huge buying pressure from this spot because of this longer wick that we have here. and this strong candlestick. I can see it going up at least for one candle, but you need to be careful because the market is ranging and it could go against you from this spot because the market is ranging. You can see in ranging market there are a lot of key level which could go against you. You can see this key level from this place. You can see this level from this place. So all these are factors that could make this candle go down tomorrow. So because of that, I will be avoiding gold tomorrow. But it's looking like a buying pressure. But I will say leave this trade. You have made money with gold. I have given you analysis for gold since Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. You made money. I will say on Friday, let gold rest for now. Don't take it. You have to leave it for now because at the moment it's not looking good. It's not showing us any good direction because we have a strong key level here. Now we don't know if the price will be respecting this key level or will be respecting this key level. So because of that, you you need to be patient. Trading is about patience. Once you are patient, you will make money. So for me, I'm not taking this trade. I will skip it for now. All right, I will stop the video here. Keep in mind your investment capital is at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not an investment advice. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, and stay safe. Goodbye.